RBI has maintained a neutral stance. RBI is willing to increase the growth rate. RBI is trying to indulge into open market operations, try to induce more INR into this, try to get more USD reserves. Oh my god, RBI is doing many things and we need to summarize it in detail. So if you're someone who's interested in this, please watch this till the end and also share it with somebody who wants to hear about this and, is clearly not understanding about this. Let's start with neutral stance. What does neutral stance mean? I want to be able to control both my inflation and my growth rate. Okay, so inflation is basically like the purchasing power. So how much the prices rise, how much the prices fall, and so on. So basically, they decide about the entire pricing of the goods and services that we are trying to purchase. From a general public point of view, this is what it is. So how much you are able to purchase using your salaries, using your disposable income and all that, basically inflation is able to decide. Now we have to make sure it has to be under control while the growth rate as well increases. Okay, so government has set a target of 7 to 8% for this ending quarters and for the next year and so on, whatever. Point is that we need to balance both the growth and the ability to purchase. Okay, so it's not that inflation has to be very low, neither it has to be too high. The rate is usually at 4 plus 2 or 4 minus 2. Okay, that has to be the range. Now what is clearly happening? Inflation has gone way below 0.25%. It is way below their targets. Okay, at least it should be 2%, but it has gone to 0.25%. So that means inflation is under control. Okay, at least for a while. So that means they can induce more growth into the market. They have the opportunity to do that. What all operations are they doing for that? First of all, they have cut the repo rate 4 times this year. This is the 4th time, the 5.25%. So last it was 5.5, it has come to 5.25%. So this is the rate at which they, lend to the banks and all that. And banks will be able to get more and more money out of this, and therefore they can lend to people like us. Followed by this is that they are trying to inculcate open market operations. They want to let's say that I don't have enough INR, I do not have enough supply, or the bank is not giving me loan because banks itself do not have enough INR. Okay, so what RBI is doing is they are trying to put in more INR currency, more money into the market such that banks are able to get it, and in return RBI expects foreign currency, US dollar, so that they can increase their reserves for imports and other reserves and all of that. So how is it going to be done? It is going to be done via variable repo rate operation. So it's like saying that RBI is telling me that, hey, give me your interest rate at which you're ready to borrow from me and I will give you the loan at that rate. Okay, so various banks out there, they will bid for their own rates. They will give their own rates at which they are ready to borrow. Like it can start from smaller to the largest until the operation is over. So until they are able to get the rupees 1 lakh crore that RBI wants. Right. If you found this useful, please do like and share, and share with anybody who needs to know about this news, especially if you're a finance student.